You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word, and yes, there are different pronunciations again in English, and I'll explain why. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got much more. So this comes originally from French. It's pronounced pirogue in French. So if you know the Cajun pirogue, that's why it comes from French pirogue, that type of canoe boat. In English, there are different pronunciations, either pirogue with a stress on the second syllable, pirogue, or pirogue with a stress on the first syllable. Those two pronunciations exist in English, and that's because in French there is no stress on either the P or the rogue syllable. The French emphasize on both syllables equally. Pirogue, okay? So you could say it pirogue or pirogue. Those two pronunciations are correct, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.